Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a very special dish which is made in India by the Christian community during Christmas. Very delicious and very scrumptious to eat. This is Pork Vindaloo, which is made specially with pork during Christmas. Very vibrant red color and delicious. You must try this at home this Christmas. So let's get started how to make this wonderful dish for Christmas. What I've first done is I've chopped out my pork into curry sized pieces. Okay, this big. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to add a little salt to it. Just a little salt. Teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder or paprika, just for the color, and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Alright, I'm going to leave this to marinate now for about an hour, and then in the meantime I'm going to start making the curry paste. Now to make the paste, what I'm going to use is around 8 to 10 Kashmiri chilies, red chilies, around 7 to 8 cardamom pods, 10 to 12 peppercorn, 6 to 7 cloves, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, about an inch or so of cinnamon stick, and half a teaspoon of mustard seed. And I'm going to grind this with white cooking vinegar. And as I put all the ingredients in my blender, to the blender jar, I'm also going to be cleaning up about 1 pod of garlic and a couple of ginger that I'm going to add. About 2-inch ginger and 1 pod garlic. I'm going to clean it up and I'm going to add this to my paste. What I've done now is added 1 cup of vinegar, and I'm now going to start mixing it. You can see now I've made this into a fine paste. Make sure it is absolutely fine. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put 2 teaspoons of the paste that I just made to my meat and continue letting it marinate. It's just been about 15 minutes now, so since the paste is ready, what I'm doing is I'm going to add just about 2 teaspoons more of the paste to my pork and letting it marinate, continuing marinate for about another 45 minutes. So in total it'll be about an hour that this meat will be marinating. Alright, so now I'm going to let this now marinate. Okay, see, nice and red and vibrant. Doesn't it look very appetizing? Alright, see you now once it's marinated. Now I'm going to start my cooking. After it's marinated for an hour, in my pot I'm going to first add some oil. I'm going to add this oil. Once the oil heats up, I'm going to add my marinated meat. It already smells so good. And I'm also going to add the rest of the curry paste that I made. nice red color comes from the red chili that we used, which is Kashmiri chili. And the main purpose of using Kashmiri chili is so that it has nice red color and the heat is not too much as well. So it's going to be mild spicy without too much of heat of the chili. So now I'm going to allow this to cook. Cover the lid and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Okay, in slow flame, or lower the flame to the lowest and let it cook for 5 minutes covered, and get back to you. Now, like 5 minutes, let's open the lid. You can see. Wow. It smells so good. The vinegar itself is so delicious that it makes your mouth water. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add about 2 cups of water. I've just washed off my mixer jar and removed all the paste which was left over in that, and I'm using the same water. So it's about 2 cups of water that I've used. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to again cover the lid and let this cook now for 30 to 45 minutes until the pork is cooked. See you then after 30 to 45 minutes. I'll keep checking and keep stirring it in between to make sure that the meat is cooking well. Yeah? See you in a while now. So the pork has been cooking for about almost 45 minutes. Let's have a look now. It's delicious. Look how it is. There you go, it's now ready. All I'm going to do is season it with salt. Just about a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of sugar. That's it. Mix for a while. Look at it, how delicious, lovely, vibrant red color. It's now almost ready now. In a while I'm going to serve it. If you like my recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the like button and share the recipe. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get further notification about the next recipe that I will be posting. Do make this at home during Christmas. It's always advisable to make it about 2 to 3 days before Christmas so that the meat can absorb all the spices that you've put in, and it will be delicious by then. The more you keep it longer, the better it tastes. So do try this for Christmas this time. I'm sure you will love it. Most of the families in India do make, especially the Goans, they make them during Christmas, and it's delicious, and make it part of your Christmas meal. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day. Goodbye.